When it comes to heavy-duty engines, every component has a role that directly impacts performance. One part that often goes unnoticed until issues arise is the fuel injection pump. Today, we're exploring a high-quality replacement option, the fuel injection pump compatible with 3306, 3306B engine, 330A, 235C, 235D, 7W5932 excavator engine replacement parts. Importance of the fuel injection pump. The fuel injection pump is critical because it precisely delivers fuel into the engine's combustion chamber. This ensures the engine receives the correct volume at the right pressure and timing. For machines like the Caterpillar 3306 and 3306B, which are widely used in construction, mining, and excavation, maintaining proper fuel delivery is essential for optimal performance. A failing pump can lead to poor fuel efficiency, unstable power output, hard starting, and even engine failure. In heavy machinery, this isn't just an inconvenience, it's a potential operational disaster. Compatibility and versatility. This replacement pump is designed to be compatible with multiple heavy-duty engine models. Caterpillar 3306 and 3306B engines. 330A excavators. 235C and 235D models. Replaces part number 7W5932. Its wide compatibility ensures that operators, contractors, and fleet managers can rely on a single solution for various equipment types, reducing the need to search for multiple replacement parts. Key benefits of the replacement pump. Installing a pump like this restores performance and provides several operational advantages. Enhanced fuel efficiency, reduces unnecessary fuel consumption. Stable power output, ensures engines maintain consistent torque and horsepower. Reliable starting, improves performance during cold starts or heavy loads. Durability, built to withstand high pressure, heat, and extended operation. Effectively, it restores the engine to its original operational efficiency. Engineering and quality. This replacement pump is engineered to meet OEM specifications, ensuring precision, reliability, and durability. Low-quality aftermarket pumps can compromise performance, but this part is built to match the standards of Caterpillar engines. Heavy equipment engines operate under extreme conditions. High-pressure fuel systems are exposed to constant stress, and this pump is designed to endure that without affecting performance. Operational impact. For industries like construction and excavation, downtime is costly. A malfunctioning fuel pump doesn't just halt a single machine, it can delay an entire project. By installing a reliable replacement, machinery can continue operating at peak performance, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Real-world example. Imagine a Caterpillar 235D excavator experiencing reduced fuel efficiency and inconsistent power. Instead of temporary fixes, replacing the fuel injection pump restores optimal operation. Fuel delivery becomes precise, starting becomes reliable, and the machine returns to its design performance levels. This not only reduces maintenance costs but also extends